Are you ready to elevate your Ford F450's functionality and style? In today's video, we dive deep into the world of tonneau covers, showcasing the best options for your beast of a truck. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a workhorse hauling heavy loads, or looking to enhance your truck's sleek look, we've got you covered, literally. Join us as we unveil exceptional tonneau covers that combine durability, security, and sleek aesthetics, with features like quick installation and weather resistance. These covers are game changers for your F450. Don't miss out on our comprehensive reviews and expert tips to find the perfect fit for your needs. Stay tuned and let's transform your truck into an unstoppable powerhouse. Number 7. Gator Cover's Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for F250, F350, and F450 owners who seek both functionality and style. This cover, designed specifically for the 2017 to 2024 Ford Super Duty with a 6 feet 10 inches bed, boasts a high-quality vinyl material that is durable and weather-resistant. One of its standout features is the fast and easy installation process. No drilling is required. Just clamp the rails on, and you're ready to go. With 100% truck bed access, you can easily roll the cover towards a cab and secure it with a storage strap, making it convenient for hauling larger items. Additionally, this cover is proudly made in the USA and is supported by a dedicated customer service team, ensuring you receive the best assistance possible, offering a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp. The Gator ETX is not just a purchase, it's an investment in protection. This tonneau cover is definitely the best tonneau cover for F450 enthusiasts looking to enhance their truck's versatility. Number 6. Tonneau Soft Quad Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate accessory for your 1999 to 2016 Ford F250, F350, and F450 Super Duty trucks, designed specifically for the 6.75 feet style side bed. This cover boasts a precise fit that guarantees a seamless installation. With easy, tool-free assembly, you can have it ready in just 20 minutes. What sets it apart is its quad fold design, offering more access room and enhanced durability due to the additional crossbar and clamps compared to traditional trifold covers. Safety is prioritized with a reinforced corner design, ensuring your cover stays secure even on the roughest rides. Plus, it's built to withstand all seasons, featuring tear-resistant and water-resistant materials that can handle various weather conditions. This is undoubtedly the best tonneau cover for your F450, providing premium protection for your truck bed while enhancing its functionality. Upgrade your truck and experience the convenience and reliability that the Tonneau Soft Quad Fold Tonneau Cover delivers. Number 5. Whale Motor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your Ford Super Duty. Specifically designed for 1999 to 2025 F250 and F350 models with a 6.8-foot standard box. This soft roll-up style cover ensures a perfect fit while providing effortless access to your truck bed. The user-friendly clamping system allows for a hassle-free, tool-free installation, saving you time and effort. Made from durable vinyl and aluminum, this cover is weather-resistant, keeping your cargo protected from the elements. Plus, its aerodynamic design helps improve fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag, essential for anyone looking to save at the pump. With everything you need included, 2 side rails, 6 mounting clamps, weather striping, and a cover, Whale Motor guarantees customer satisfaction with a 12-month warranty. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for your F450, look no further. Whale Motor has you covered. Upgrade your truck today and experience the convenience and benefits this tonneau cover has to offer. Number 4. DNA Motoring TTC RU005 Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is a game changer for your 1999 to 2016 F250, F350, and F450 Super Duty trucks with a 6.5-foot fleet side bed. This premium tonneau cover not only enhances the aerodynamics of your truck, leading to improved speed and gas savings, but it also offers superior protection with its durable vinyl material. With easy plug-and-play installation, You won't need to worry about cutting or drilling. Simply clamp it on. The adjustable tension system ensures a custom fit, while rubber weather seals keep your cargo safe from the elements. Weighing less than 30 pounds and featuring Velcro edges for a snug seal, this cover is both lightweight and extremely sturdy. Plus, its model-specific design guarantees coverage without curl, giving your truck that spotless showroom look in any weather. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for your F450, the DNA Motoring TTC RU005 won't disappoint. Experience functionality, durability, and style all in one product. Number 3. T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The ultimate addition for your 2017 to 2025 Ford F250 and F350 Super Duty with a 6.75-foot, 82-inch bed. This cover stands out as one of the best tonneau covers for the F450, combining style and functionality seamlessly. Made with a dual-coated, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and crafted with an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, it promises exceptional durability and a sleek appearance. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars offer added support while allowing for complete bed access when folded. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling and equipped with all necessary mounting hardware. Note that a small modification may be required for vehicles with over-the-bedrail bed liners, ensuring a snug fit with stainless steel clamps. With a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, you can feel confident in your purchase. Upgrade your truck's functionality and aesthetics with the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover. It's the perfect solution for any Ford Super Duty owner. Number 2. Rough Country Hard Low Profile Trifold Tonneau Bed Cover for Ford F250/F350 Super Duty 2017 to 2024 is a smart investment for those seeking the best tonneau cover for F450. With its sleek matte black finish and streamlined design, this hard-folding cover enhances your truck's aesthetic while providing exceptional utility. Made from durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum, it features a full weather seal that ensures your cargo stays safe and dry, no matter the weather. The tri-fold panels allow for convenient access, whether you need the bed fully open, 2/3 open, or closed. Plus, the auto-latching system secures the cover tightly, offering peace of mind when you're on the road. Installing this tonneau cover is a breeze, thanks to the track and rail mounting system that requires no drilling and includes all necessary tools and hardware. With Rough Country's USA customer support and a limited 5-year replacement warranty, you can trust that you are making a reliable choice for your truck. Upgrade your Ford F250/F350 with this top-notch cover today. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4. The ultimate tonneau cover designed for the 2017 to 2024 Ford F250 350 Super Duty with a 6 feet 10 inches bed, 81.9 inch. This premium cover combines durability and style, making it a must-have for your truck. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it features a sleek matte finish that protects against marks, scratches, and UV damage, ensuring your truck always looks its best. The real highlight is its superior security. The BAK Flip MX4 is designed with durable aluminum panels that automatically latch when partially or fully closed, providing peace of mind that your belongings are safe once the tailgate is locked. You'll love the 100% bed access, allowing you to operate the cover in various positions without obstructing the third brake light. For truck owners seeking the best tonneau cover for their F450, the Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 stands out with its stylish design and practical features. Upgrade your truck today and enjoy the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your Ford F450 can greatly enhance both functionality and aesthetics. With various options available, consider your specific needs and preferences to find the perfect fit. We hope this guide has helped clarify your choices. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support means a lot to us as we continue to bring you valuable content.